Want a sweet start to your day? Try these soft and fluffy pancakes. Easy to make with simple ingredients, perfect for breakfast. 2 medium-sized eggs. 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. 7 tablespoons flour, add extra if needed. 1 packet of baking powder. 1 pack of vanilla. A glass of milk, 200 milliliters extra, half a tea glass, total 300 ml. Mix the entire pancake mixture well until it reaches a smooth consistency. Add 2 more tablespoons of flour. It may vary depending on the size of the egg. You can add it too. Place a non-stick pan on the stove and heat it. Then lightly grease it with a brush. Take a tablespoon of the pancake batter you have prepared and pour it into the hot pan. Wait for it to rise, then flip the pancakes and cook. You can find a variety of delicious recipes on our Outdoor Chef channel. These amazing pancakes are easy to make and a perfect treat, especially for kids. If you enjoyed the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and leave a comment. Your support means a lot to us. Enjoy your meal. Put a packet of powdered cream in a deep bowl and whisk it with a glass of cold milk. Put the cream you prepared on half of the pancakes and cover one pancake with it. In a bowl, mix coconut pieces, chocolate chips, hazelnut pieces, walnut pieces, almond pieces. Cover the edges of the pancake sandwiches you have prepared with the coconut mixture, one by one. Let it sit in the refrigerator for 30 minutes before serving, and then serve.